What's going on, guys? It's Christian Hernandez with Compass, and today we are with
Mark and Alexandra
from Hollywood Estates.
And we're here to check out the Treehouse. Why do they call it the Treehouse?
Yeah, so they landed on this name because, as you can see, it's perfectly nestled in the Hollywood Hills. We're surrounded by a bunch of lush greenery, trees, and you really get the experience as if you were in a treehouse.
That's awesome. Let's go ahead and check it out. Mark, so what are the details of the property?
Yeah, so this home is 5 bedrooms, 7 baths, just a little over 6,000 square feet. It includes a movie theater, a pool, and an entertainment area upstairs, and a rooftop deck. Pretty insane home.
We also have a chef's kitchen here with beautiful Italian porcelain counters, white oak flooring throughout, and as you can see, just a really open floor plan, airy straight into the backyard.
Nice. And how much are you guys asking for the property?
This house is going for 8.2 mil.
Nice. I do love the layout of the house. The one thing I do love about the property is that, even though you are in the hills, there's a lot of privacy and you're still close to the boulevard, right? And you're still close to the freeway.
Yep.
It's probably one of my favorite things because, the hills could get busy, even the city. What do you guys like?
Yeah, I like the concept of once you walk into the home, right? You're far removed from the city, and then you get to hang out and relax. Just like you're in a hotel, right? You got the pool, you got the cabana, and it's more of an intimate time with your friends and family.
Yeah, and same with both of you. I love the privacy of the home. You're nestled in the hills, you're close enough to everything, but also far enough removed. And also it's a beautiful home. I think about family, you know, and you have enough space to have people around, entertain, and also just live in a comfortable home that's not too big, too small. It's a perfect size.
It's the epitome of indoor-outdoor living.
Yeah.
I agree. I think this house has it all.
It really does.
Man, I just love being inside this gable.
This is actually my favorite room. I mean, now that you pointed out the gable, what I like about it is that it's enclosed, right? So imagine a perfect rainy day, just like what we had in the last few weeks. It was so quiet and so soothing just hearing the raindrops. And you can just hang out here, have the windows open, and just kind of relax and just take it in.
Yeah, and you don't get wet. You can enjoy the rain while not getting soaked, which is a great part of this place.
A cup of coffee. But yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys have any questions on this property, or if you guys would like to work with any of us, I'm going to link all of our information down in the description. And that's a wrap.